Well, it has been a New York minute. Well, welcome back to the GNC Family Farms channel. And, well, today we have the typical high weather. Yesterday it was cold. Not too cold, actually. It started warming up. It melted some of the snow. We had the beautiful sunshine all day yesterday. Oh, it was great. And today's the 18th, so the Saturday. There's old Miko. It's coming down with this rain right now. We'll be heading in tonight in a freeze warning until Thursday. Extreme cold. Yeah. So everything that's melting is going to turn into nothing but ice. I'll catch you up here. It's the new year, so I wanted to try to cue video at least once a week. I can't guarantee it. You know, it's only me here running the farm. The wife's away from the farm. She works. And so when I can do a video, I can do a video. And I thought today I'd just, take you on a little tour here. Living along the Muskegon River as a farmer. The river right now is, I wouldn't say frozen over, but it is definitely got ice on it. As you can see down there, it's all nice, and there's some open spots there. But we're surviving. I was getting ready to warm up the tractor. I got to bring up some wood. So that way we can stock up a little bit, because like I said, we're going into extreme coldness, polar vortex. Now we saw that a year ago, I think it was. I think it was a year ago. No, maybe 2 years ago. I can't remember. It was right before Christmas. We had a polar vortex that lasted for about 2 days. Well, this one's lasting until Friday morning is what they're saying. I'm ready for spring, that's for sure. What we're walking on right here is going to be eventually the new crop area. I got a tiller for the tractor. I'm going to till all this up, put corn out here. We're going to still use that garden up there. That's where Miko's at right now. That'll be for like our tomatoes and probably cucumbers, and we're going to put corn out here in the bottom. After we, I'm sure we're going to have some flooding back here behind me. This will probably get flooded out because of all this rain. And now we're still considered in a drought, believe it or not. We'll have to just wait and see what we get this next couple months, because like I said, it's only January, and usually it'll snow up to March. I've even heard it snowing in April, so we still got a couple months before we can do any planting, and then we got to wait till it gets just right conditions so we can get the tiller in the ground and till up the ground. So it's going to be a couple months before we can do any planting. Right now I'm in the back of the barn, in case you wonder where I'm at. But yeah, I just thought I'd stop by, and hope everyone's having a blessed New Year's already. Hope this 2025 is going to be a blessed year for you and your family as ours. We're just typical American kids doing our best, living the life, living the dream. Hey, Monday, someone will be back in the office, and it won't be me. You wouldn't want me as a president, that's for sure. They actually are going to move that inside. I guess the last time that the inauguration was indoors was when the last great president was in office, Ronald Reagan. Yeah, good old Reagan, man. Old Ronald, man, he didn't play around, did he? There's the great Kubotas, all covered up. Oh yeah, a little jamming. Oh, it'll probably get flagged. Oh well. TikTok, it will be over tomorrow, or at least that's what they're saying. We'll have to wait and see what happens with that. I will miss TikTok. I do. It's kind of my morning routine. It gets me after I do my prayer and thanking the Lord for another blessed day. You know, I can go on TikTok for a few minutes. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Guess I'll have to just get outside and do work instead of playing on TikTok. But yeah, we're hanging in there. Like I said, it's not really raining. Well, I guess picking up a little bit. I gotta bring some wood up, get it stacked up. Went all dark here. There we go. The magic of cameras. Just touch it. Ooh. But yeah, our grandson just celebrated his birthday yesterday, so no, one yesterday, the day before. In the winter months, I get all messed up. I have to keep reminding me what day it is. But yeah, if you like this kind of content and like seeing people doing their best to survive in America, then you're at the right channel. We might have a little church. You never know what I get into. Yeah. But yeah, we're still here. We're still alive. We're just kind of got to get to the planting season, get over this winter, and then the spring rains. Once we get over that and get the flooding done, then around May, the end of May, I like to get stuff planted before May. We'll have to wait and see, because the ground, like I said, has got to be dried up. And then, you know, you never know, living along the river, what the river's going to produce, you know. Part of the problem why we flood out a lot down here is not the river. Now, the river does go over its banks, but it stays in the back. We really don't get flooded out because of the river. What we get flooded out is because the great engineers of this county that we live in, they dump their drains over the hill, and it runs right down in here. That's what floods us out. It isn't the river. The river does some of it, but what really kills us is this great brains of the engineers, whoever came up with that. Now, why did they just didn't take the time and run it all the way down to the river, the drain, and drain it out into the river instead of draining it in the back of our property and our neighbor's property? So, but yeah, we have to wait till, you know, the later part of spring before we can actually start doing any planting around here. Guess I need to stop moving around. Well, I'm going to get off here. I just want to stop by and tell you that we're still alive. We're still doing the American dream, and we're still living. And we have our struggles every day, just like anyone else has struggles out there. Amen. Amen. Told you we could have some church up in here, but you know, it is what it is, and we appreciate all your support, those who are supporting this channel, and you know, if this is your first time being here, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like us. I know I'm not the most handsome looking man, but if you like this kind of content, stay around. I'll try to get every video out once a week. Alright? Maybe twice. I might, you know, never know what I might get into. Like I said, I'm the one who runs the farm. I run in the house as well. I do the cleaning and the cooking, and I pretty much am a multitasking farmer. Okay, so you never know what I might show up on a video doing. I might doing a new recipe or something. I haven't done cooking video for a while. Man, that's been a long time since I've done a cooking video, actually. It's been a long time since I've done a midweek with me. I like to get back to doing them things, so that's what 2025 means. Well, as you can see, it's raining. I got to get the tractor warmed up, and so I can get the wood brought up. All right, talk to you all later. Be safe, be kind. Hey, it only takes a minute to make someone else smile. You never know what they might be going through, so share, all right? Share kindness with each other. We're all struggling, right? Amen? All right, talk to you all later. Like I said, I'm Grant. I don't think I said that, actually. But anyways, I'm Grant, Papa Bear. Just don't call me late for dinner, all right? Talk to you all in the next video. Love y'all.